Hello everyone, today I'm going over the Mr. Coffee 5-cup coffee maker. I bought this one to put in my garage actually because I get up pretty early and would like to have some coffee without waking the family up. So this one has a timer on it. We're going to see if it works. If I time this right, it should start brewing any minute now. But no, for the price, it's pretty well built. You can see up here, very simple. It's got a built-in filter, so we just poured some grounds in it. I'm not really going to go over the quality of the coffee because at some point drip coffee is just drip coffee. Looks like it just swapped over to the brew now, and it is starting. The time is extremely easy to set. It's just hours and minutes. The downside is if you pass the time that you're shooting for, you got to go all the way around again. But minor detail. Did not come with any instructions, but pretty straightforward and pretty well built. I don't think you'll be disappointed, especially for the cost.